So hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you what I got in my mail today. I only got a couple of things in my mail today. One of them was this lunchbox from one of my grandchildren, and it's got emojis all in it. Looks like fun. And there's nothing. Let's see what's inside. I didn't say it this time. Well, there's really nothing in it, but she can have fun with it, I'm sure. And then, so I got this. Then I got some better see. It's Liptimo Best Absorbent Vitamin C, and it's by Vita Better. And the vitamin C tablets are so hard, and they're so big, and I hate swallowing them. So I'm gonna see if I can swallow the liquid vitamin C and see if what I can do with that. Don't mind me, I'm tired tonight. Again, if any rumbling's going on, I noticed that somebody was talking about my they can't hear me. I think it was because of the fan. The last thing I got was this thing here. Okay, so this is a Extava Pro Satin Straightener. This thing here, I think, is kind of big. But I'm going to open it and see how big it actually is. And I'll plug it in to see if it actually works. Although I'm not going to use it on my hair, I'm going to give it probably to one of my grandchildren. I haven't decided yet who gets it, but I might save it for a Christmas present if Angel behind me doesn't tell anybody. Angel's put her hand up like what I do. So it's in this black box here. I can't open it up. Oh, here it is. I knew I'd find it eventually. Okay, so it comes in these thick and thin, curly, straight. We're here for you. That's the code. And then it comes in this bag right here with instructions. See in the back. And which I'm not going to take out. But I am going to take this out. See what this does. It isn't as big as I thought it was. No, it's not. Because that was a pretty big box. So let's see. I'm unzipping it. This is it. I want to see if it works though. Get it out. That's it right there. I'm not going to use it on my hair because it makes no sense to me. I think that those are like mirrors inside maybe. Alright, I'm going to plug this in. See if this works. So how's everybody today? I'm doing fine. If you want to be in the giveaway, please enter me. The giveaway is the end of the month. Like I said, I get all kinds of things. So, a little this, a little that. You never know. Not once before. The other week. I'm getting it off. Oh, come on, Lou. Got it. Took me a minute. Okay, plug it in. I'm just going to for a second just to see how it goes. What we're doing. Now let's turn the lights on and let's see. So, there it is. I'm not going to try to even tell you how hard it is. Okay, some kind of temperature, something. Nope. And then it gets red inside there. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. It gets red inside, and that's so. Having said that, I turned it off because I can tell that it's already getting a little warm. So I'm going to give this to somebody for Christmas. I don't know who. Like I said, I'm doing my Christmas shopping now. So because I can't use it, so what's the point? So this is, it's really nice. And it opens up like this. So that it does, I guess this is a professional one. I used to see them like when I used to go get my hair done, but that's been so long ago. That's been about 6 years ago. So hence the dreads. But I like this, and I think that it is really beautiful. Again, this is the Extava. Okay, comes in a nice case, and I will leave you some stuff in the description box. I'm sure that there's something in there. And that's it. It's really all I got, which is good, because I'm tired, and I gotta do some work. So, I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.